Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cindy and I make all kinds of beauty content. So if that's what you like, then please subscribe and hit the notification bell button so that you'll know when I upload new videos. Today, we're not going to do an eyeshadow video. We're going to do a hair video. So I've got this fake hair. Is that the right way? I don't know how you say it. Anyway, it came from Amazon and they're two little bitty hair thingies. And I wanted to get them so I could have some space buns. Anyway, and so my natural hair is gray and dark brown, but I color it to medium brown, and she puts highlights in it too. So I think this is about the color of my colored hair. So here's the little space buns. I looked at the website and it sort of gave some instructions. So let's see what we can do. I've got my hair washed and dried and curled. Okay, so pull up a mirror here. And I got it parted in the middle. Now on the pictures that they used, they had it sectioned off into like little half dog ears. And with a rubber band, which I usually use the little cliffies, but I got some rubber bands out. I just happen to have some for the hair. And my grays are definitely going to be showing. And it said to pull your hair up in little ponytails. So we're going to do that. I just don't like putting rubber bands on my hair, but these are special coated. I usually use scrunchies. But the only thing is they're kind of thin, so it's going to take a few wraps around. That's not going to work. Try this again. I'm afraid if I use even the teeny tiny cliffy, that'll just be too much and the clip won't go over it. So let's try this again. Okay. I'm going to go get around 3 times. Hopefully it won't hurt my hair. Okay. There's one side. Here's my other one. I usually do my hair in the bathroom, but I don't really do that much to it. I'll just like put it up in little cliffies like this or wear it down. But right now it's getting kind of long to wear down. And this side seems to me to be always thicker than the other side. And I think the reason that is because, and I'm watching it now, but it might be too late. The chickens might have already been let out of the coop. I think it's because I throw my purse over this shoulder and it's pulled on my hair, and one breaks it off. And then two, it may have like pulled it out to the root where it automatically, you know, got that traction alopecia and will never grow back. But now that I realize I've done that, I'm going to try it really hard to watch it. Okay. So let's see. And this is fake hair, hopefully. So we're just going to see. The girls in the ads looked really cute. So this is the color of my hair. I do have some highlights on the outside of it. Okay, let's kind of put these up in little curly buns or something and see how it looks. It's just little hair jaw clips. And we might have been able to do this without putting rubber bands, but I did want to follow the instructions. So and you can see next week I get my hair colored. So it's just little cliffy hair pieces. See if we can cover this gray a little better. How it looks in the back. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the back and the side. And so hopefully this is my stab at getting face buns. Okay. So thank you for watching. We'll do another video soon because I've got the Barbie collection in that I knew. And so we'll see you later. Bye-bye.